Hey YouTube, it's Newbie Customs and I'm here with another DIY. Today I'm working on some shorts. I actually started them the other day. I'm just finishing them up. These were some skinny jeans that I had and a jacket in orange. And what I did was I did the diagonal cut on them. So it has some dimension on the cuts. It's a one-sided, so it's asymmetrical shred, distress, however you want to call it. So I took like a little moon shape out of it and then distressed it a lot. And on the pocket part as well, it just has a backing throughout the whole pocket, so it has white behind it. And you can't see my stuff because the whole pocket covers all that up, thank God. And then I just did the little tiny pocket on this side. And right now, I'm working on the back. I already did this pocket. I did the whole pocket on this side. And what I'm going to do on this side, I'm just only doing the top on this part. As you see, I started taking some of those threads out. And sorry, I'm doing this on my phone, so yes, it's going to be a little ghetto. I don't know if you want to watch me distress this or just come back, but if you want me to show you how to distress, there's 1,000 videos out there, but some people still want to see. So just let me know, and I'll come back when they're all done. Toodles. Okay, so I'm at my mom's house, and the shorts are all distressed. I know it takes forever for my camera to focus. And right now, I'm just getting ready to wet them with some just basic water. These jeans was already washed, so you don't need to run a washer and all that. I'm just gonna drizzle some water over it so it gets wet, put them in the dryer, and they're gonna ruffle out up how I need them to. So if y'all get jeans and need them distressed, I can do it. Just showing you how this looks before I put it in the actual wash or dryer. And depending on how they look when I get done, I might go in, do some more. Y'all know how I do. But for the most part, and they're right at the booty cheek. So like your butt's not hanging out, but it's like right at that crease. And I tried them on, and I feel like they're coming out pretty good. So I'm off the clock. I just took a water bottle and just went over the pants in certain areas. And if they was too wet, I'll just wring it out because you don't want to mess up your dryer. Because if you put something too wet in the dryer, it will fuck up your dryer. Just saying. So I just went ahead and this is how it came out. It's a little bit more ruffled than what they originally were. And I also, before I put them in there, I just kind of tugged on the ends of these, so make sure that they frayed because the stitching was kind of tight on there. And that's how those came out on the edges. So I'm gonna go try them on for you guys to show you what they look like on. This camera takes forever to focus. And hopefully you like my DIY. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you like this DIY. Also, if you want to see other colors or other lengths of short, like a Bermuda shorts or you know, capri pant or anything like that, just let me know if y'all want a different print. Like, I have different print pants. Like, I need some inspiration to do with because I'm probably not gonna ever wear those pants like that, how they are. That's why they're just sitting in my closet. But yeah, and this is the back view. How those ruffles came out. All hand done, you guys. So good, got him talking like Yoda. I need a babe with a mouth like a motor. Her pussy nasty, she drink too much soda. I got that alkaline church of that water. Walking around with all that, hey, let it go. How can I stay out the damn Gucci store? I like to drink, but I don't do no dope. My body banging, he want all the smoke. Boo, bitch. Don't do me, do you, bitch, huh? Passing a chick in the bank right now. Open up shit like she you, bitch, huh? I'm riding around with my African, huh? My niggas stiff like a mannequin, ayy. How in the UK they jamming me, yeah? These niggas love me like family, ayy. I'm on their head like I jacked in their face. All of these hoes look alike like they trace. Bitch, I'm the pencil to pay for the case. Hoe with is nothing to get you erased. I knock the breath out these bitches, they wheezy. I fell in love with that cash, it completely. Your bitch is slutty, McNutty, she easy. Give up that cat to a nigga, no reason. I'm a raw ass bitch, you feel me? Ayy, I'm hot, you feel me? Ooh, watch how you coming, you feel me? Huh? Ain't gotta touch you, you feel me? Bitches ain't hotter than me, you feel me? I'm who they trying to be, you feel me? You know you got that from me, you feel me? I make them follow my lead, you feel me? Five nigga, high girl, pussy too fine nigga, I run game like five niggas, magazine, mommy got style nigga, click on a bitch like a camera, So I like how the fit was fitting. I decided to go in and add gems to the pocket. That way it's poking through when I wear them. It has like a little personality. I gotta still go in and fill this whole part in. I might just leave some of that blank because you're not going to see that anyways. It's just going to be in those spots where the holes actually poke through. And I also did the belt loops. The pattern that you see right here is going to be the same pattern being done on this side of the jeans. And then after I get my standard beading everywhere that I want the beading to be, I might go in and just, put a couple here and there. But for the most part, I'm liking how this is coming up. So I'll come back and show you guys when this is all done.